Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. Today we are going to be looking at an interesting job we're doing on this Austin Healey 3000 MK third, and it is actually a very nice solid vehicle, and we're doing it's not a restoration job. We're doing a pretty comprehensive overhaul of the interior, mechanical components. So you'll see we cleaned up the floor. Luckily it wasn't rusted through, so we cleaned it and applied proper refinishing materials. We have new carpets going in, new trim. You see a bunch of old stuff that came out of this Austin Healey. We obviously discovered some surprises. You can see the seat bottom bases rusted through. So we're going to check if the new ones are available at reasonable price. If not, we'll be able to sandblast these and repair them with the fiberglass and epoxy. But this is a nice little car, and it survived some common rust problems. It actually has a very solid body. So we're looking forward to getting this up and running, getting it cleaned up, getting it detailed, serviced, and running beautiful for its owner. Thank you very much for viewing this video from AlphaCars Service Center.